Welcome to WB Fine Woodworking. I'm Don. Today I thought I'd give a shout out to James King and his family over at King's Fine Woodworking. They have a group over on Facebook called the King's Fine Woodworking Community and a YouTube channel. Their YouTube channel already has 89 videos on woodworking and 74,000 subscribers. You might want to check that out. And the King's Fine Woodworking Community on Facebook is a wonderful group of people. We have very experienced woodworkers and some that are not so experienced. We try to help each other, and we have plenty of moderators to keep things going the way they should. So check it out. King's Fine Woodworking Community over on Facebook and King's Fine Woodworking over on YouTube.